What is the most valuable asset you own? It is not your car, it is not your house, and it is certainly not your Quotex account balance. It is your time. Most people start trading binary options because they want to escape their 9-to-5 job. They want freedom, but what usually happens is they end up staring at charts for 12 hours a day. They obsess over every single 1-minute candle. They just replace one boss with another, and usually they lose money while doing it. Today, we are going to fix that. We are going to build a system that takes less than 30 minutes a day. But before we get into this time-saving blueprint, I need to make a massive announcement regarding how we do things on this channel. From now on, I am hosting a huge capital giveaway on the 1st of every single month. I want to fund your accounts, but to qualify, you have to prove you are dedicated. Here is exactly how the new system works. You must like this video, comment your biggest trading goal down below, subscribe to the channel, watch this entire video from start to finish without skipping, and join our community Telegram group. If you do all of those steps, our backend system will automatically add you to the verified list of people who qualify for the giveaway on the 1st of the month. Do not try to cheat the system. Watch the whole video and get your name on that list. Welcome back to the channel. If you have been endlessly searching for a Quotex trading strategy or typing how to win all trade in Quotex into the search bar, you are probably feeling overwhelmed. There are thousands of videos teaching binary options trading strategy in Hindi, English, and every other language. They teach you about the stochastic oscillator, the MACD, and complex price action. While education is great, it is also paralyzing. When you have 5 different indicators on your screen, they often contradict each other. The MACD says buy, but the Bollinger Bands say sell. What do? You freeze, or worse, you guess. This is why 90% of beginners fail. They overcomplicate the process. The secret to a high win rate isn't knowing everything. The secret is having a mathematical edge and executing it without emotion. Today, I am giving you that edge. I am going to show you a highly advanced Telegram bot that acts as your personal algorithm. It does the heavy lifting so you do not have to. To get started, you need to connect to the bot. I have placed the official link right in my bio on my channel page, and I have also put it in the pinned comment below this video. Do not search for it randomly to avoid fakes. Go to the bio or the pinned comment, click the link, and open it in Telegram. Once you hit start on the bot, you will immediately notice that there is no clutter. It asks you what asset you want to trade. If you have completed your Quotex trading account opening and verification, open your broker app and look at the payouts. You only want to trade pairs that are paying 80% or higher. This is crucial for your long-term profitability. The bot covers everything. It covers the live Forex markets like EUR/USD and GBP/JPY during the week, but it also covers the weekend markets. A lot of people search for a Quotex secret bug or look for Quotex OTC market trap exposed videos because they are scared of OTC. Let me be very clear. OTC stands for over-the-counter. It is a simulated market algorithm run by the platform. Humans are terrible at predicting algorithms because we try to use human logic. Robots, however, are exceptional at reading algorithms. This bot is designed to understand the simulated OTC structure. So if you are trading on a Saturday, do not be afraid to select an OTC pair from the bot menu. After you select your high-paying asset, the bot will ask for your preferred time frame. You will see options ranging from 5 seconds to 15 minutes. If you are looking for a reliable binary trading strategy for beginners, please listen to me right now. Ignore the 1-minute time frame for now. The 1-minute chart is incredibly volatile. One tiny news spike can ruin a perfect setup. Instead, select the 5-minute time frame. The 5-minute chart filters out the noise.